Today I'm going to share how you can make money online flipping apps, and I'm also going to share with you in this video how you can do this for free. So what we'll cover is I'll show you exactly how this works. We'll go over the different websites that you need to be using for this. Now you do not need any experience or skills, and this is very simple to get started with, and we'll walk through this step by step. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because if you miss any of the steps then you will not know how to do this correctly. I'm also going to share with you the best website to use when it comes to flipping apps. And believe it or not, unlike probably 99% of the videos I've seen on YouTube, the best website for flipping apps is not Flipper. You can use Flipper, but it's definitely not the best website to use. I'm going to share the best website with you where you can go ahead and find hundreds of these apps, and I'll briefly share with you what Flipper looks like and how you can buy apps on Flipper. Then once we've gone over all of that, at the end of the video, if you haven't got any money at all, what I will do is I'll share with you where you can go and create your own apps for free. And it's a huge platform. It's been around for a number of years, and lots of people have successfully launched their own apps on this website, and it's for free. It's a great website. So let's jump into today's video and I'll show you exactly how you can make money online flipping apps. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in this video we're going to look at this method to make money online flipping apps, and like I've mentioned, I'll briefly show you the website Flipper, which most people tend to focus on, but let's jump into the actual website you want to be focusing your attention on. So the website you want to be looking at is this one here, and it's called dovemoby.com. You can see on here, this is one of the biggest marketplaces online to buy and sell games, and this includes the template source code. Now you might be wondering, what on earth is a template source code? So whenever you buy an app, it comes with a source code, and if you have any issues with this, or you have any errors, or you need to make some amends, you need to play around with the source code. Now don't worry too much about that, because when I first started learning about source codes I thought I don't have a bloody clue. So when it comes to flipping apps, there's a couple of things you can do. You can buy them and flip them within the same day. You can buy and flip them within a couple of weeks. Now, when it comes to the source code, if you plan on buying them and holding them for say 6 or 7 months and then flipping them again, you will need the source code to make any edits or if there's been any errors on there. Now, again, when it comes to your source code, you might be thinking, well, I don't have a bloody clue about code. You don't need to worry, because you can actually come onto this marketplace here and find people who can play around with the source code for you. But if you're looking to make some quick money where you're buying an app today and flipping it in a couple of days or in a week or within a month, then you don't need to worry too much about this. But the fact that it's included is very good for you. So this is Dovemoby, and this is just the homepage. Now at the top here you've got Marketplace and you've got iOS ready to use, sell your app. So if I just scroll down, this will show you some of the featured apps which are available today that you can go ahead and purchase. Now when you're looking at this business model and getting started with this, what I would say is come to Dovemoby and go on to ready to use. Now click on here and I'll show you these apps. Now all of these apps here, these are all ready to use, so it basically means you can get access to these today and start promoting them, sharing them, etc, etc. Now if I click on here, we've got Bella's Dreams. Let's have a look at this. It's $100. Now what I like about this marketplace here is it offers, as you can see on the right hand side, it offers a 14-day money back guarantee. It comes with a ready to use license. Let me show you what that means here. So once you purchase this, it will no longer be available for anyone else to purchase. You will be the only owner of this app, and it will be removed from the marketplace. And then also, after you purchase this, our dedicated program manager will contact you in order to proceed with all the necessary steps to transfer the right of use of the game to you. So basically, you purchase this, it's removed from the marketplace, you have exclusive rights to this, and then you can basically start marketing this and sharing it as much as you want. Now, you can purchase these on here. Now, another thing what I like about Dovemoby is on the right hand side, it gives you everything you need to know. It shows you the platforms and the framework. So this is an Android app. It gives you the category. So this is game template, it's in the casual. You've got the operating systems, and you've got all the different files associated with this. Then you've also got tags. You also have on here, which I like, is a video showing you exactly what the app is about. You've got a video here, and if you scroll down the page here, you've also got another video here. It walks through and it shows you exactly what the app is about. You can also, on here, you can scroll down, you've got similar apps related to this one up here, so you can go ahead and have a look at these different apps on here. And you can also, if you scroll up here, you've got this here, so this is the app creator. You can go and have a look at their portfolio and see all the different apps that they've created and sold in the past. So this is without a doubt one of the best platforms that you can use to buy your apps. Now you can also buy them on here and sell them on here. So where it says sell your app, if you click on sell your app, it walks through exactly what you need to do and what you don't need to do when it comes to listing an app. So it's all on this page for you here. I'll drop a link to this on here for you. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. But in terms of finding apps which are pretty unique, then I highly recommend Dove Mobi. You can go in the marketplace, but like I say, if you go to ready to use, you can scroll through and have a look at these. But by all means, you can actually go into the marketplace and have a look at this and see all of the different apps that are available on here. So if at the top here, they have featured apps, and you can scroll through and have a look at these. Go through this and have a look at this, but then you can scroll through and have a look at some of the different ones on here. And again, every single app that is listed on here, it has a video on here. It walks you through what you get with it, what you don't get with it, money back guarantee, etc., etc. So this is Dove Mobi. I highly recommend this website, especially for apps if you're looking to get good quality apps. Now the other website that you can use, so let's say if you come over to Dove Mobi, you buy an app on here, and then you want to basically flip it. Well, you can list it straight away on this website, but you can also go ahead and list it on Flipper. Now let me go and show you Flipper. So this is Flipper. Now again, over on Flipper you can buy and sell apps on here. So I'll drop a link to Flipper below for you. You simply come over to the home page on here, you click on here, and you literally go to apps. Now you can see on here, there's other things available on here, but we'll just focus on apps. So we'll go to apps, and it'll show you all of the apps which are in the marketplace. Now the apps which are sold on Flipper, these have normally been in the marketplace for a while. So you actually get apps which have been out in the marketplace, they've got revenue and they've got downloads, whereas the ones over on Dove Mobi, they're pretty much unique to you. And some of these will not have been in the marketplace for too long. And also over on Dove Mobi, people can, let's say for argument's sake, this one here, this Bitcoin faucet, you could purchase this, but then somebody else could purchase it and reskin it. And then what that basically means is it's the same app, but just with a different name on here. But over on Flipper, you can scroll through and have a look at some of these apps, and it'll give you information about this. So look, this one here, this Knife Strike, let's go and have a look at this. So I'm going to click on here, and it will give you information on here about the app. So number of installs, 0. It's a brand new app. Well, I wouldn't even bother with that one, to be honest with you. Let me go back out of here. So it's been listed one time previously. So what's happened here is somebody's actually bought this and flipped it. Let's go and have a look at this. Listed one time previously. Yeah, you can see it was listed on the website before. So let me come out of here and come out of here, and we'll go look at some apps which have actually got information. And what I mean by that is how much they're selling for, how much profit they've made. So we've got most active, we've got reserve met, and you've got ending soon. So let's just scroll through and have a look at some of these. We'll find one. Let's look at this one. 6 high quality. What's this? Reserve met, $100. Number of installs, 10. It's a new app. Now I want to find one for you so you can see. Let's go up here, and we're going to filter this. So let's do this. See all apps. And on the left hand side here, we're going to bring this profit to, let's bring this to $1,000, and let's bring this up to 250, and we're going to search. And this is going to bring up all of the apps with, basically that's making profit from anywhere from $250 a month to $1,000. So you can go through and have a look at these different apps. So let's have a look at this one here, Flight Sim. Let's just have a look at this. So this one here, it's currently had 1,000 installs, it's only a month old, it's had 43 reviews, and it's over on the App Store, and people download this for free. And you can see it's currently made $413 within its first month. So it's not been out for too long, but so far it's earned $413. And all of this information on here, it's all verified by Flipper. So anyone can just list an app on here and put up, it's making X amount of money without it being verified properly. So it tells you what it's about. It includes what's included in the sale. And then, like I said, you can just go down and have a look at this. So how does this app make money? Well, people purchase the in-app purchase to remove ads. So that is how this app is making its money, with that option to remove apps on there. So this is this. So you could go ahead and bid on this if you wanted to buy it now. You see, you can simply buy this app now today for $1,500. So let's go ahead and have a look at a couple more, and then I'll show you a website that you can use to create your own apps. So let's scroll down here. Let's have a look at, let me look at this one, $6.5 grand, $600, $1. I once found one which has been on the marketplace for a while. So look at this one. This is a pretty decent one. It's been in the marketplace for 3 months. So this is pretty good. You can see here it started out at $482. It then went to $720, and then it went up to $749. So this has been out for 3 months, and you can see it's had a steady-ish increase in profit. A number of installs is 1,000. So over on the App Store, scroll down here, you can see this is the seller, 100% positive feedback. This app here as well, it's been listed before, so somebody has done exactly what I'm teaching you in this video here. So I'm going to scroll down here, you can see exactly how much they earn in profit for the month. So what's included, so it tells you exactly what's included, what's not included, and it tells you also how they're actually making money with this. So make investment in Facebook ads to gain new downloads. So they're actually making this money via Facebook ads. So if you scroll up here, you can see this is the revenue. Costs, this will be no doubt from the Facebook ads they're running, and then this is the profit. So if you scroll further down here, it'll tell you everything you need to know. You can go through the earnings and declaration and other bits on here, but this is how this method works. So you can buy apps over on DoveMobi, you can buy apps over on Flipper. Once you've bought them, you can do one of two things. You can flip them pretty quickly within like a week or a month or up to 2 months, and then you can also hold them for a number of months and then flip them at a later date. Now, I said to you at the beginning of this video, if you watch this till the end, I'd share a mobile build, an app build that you can use for free to create apps. Now, the website is this one here. It's called mobincube.com. You can see, create your app for free, no coding required. This website here has been around for a number of years. They've had some very successful apps launched on here. You can see money earned by users, apps, and app downloads. And it walks through how this works. So you sign up, create an account, build your app, and then you publish this to the marketplace. You've got someone here who's earning more than €3,000 a month. You've then got somebody over here. If you want to go and read these stories, then you can literally click on here and it'll go and tell you about the person. It shows you the apps that they've created and how much they're earning on here. And basically it just walks through everything that they're doing. Now up here at the top where it says make money, this is how you monetize your apps with Mobincube. It tells you on here, so you create apps for free, paying absolutely nothing. These apps contain advertisements in the form of banners, videos, and sliders. Every time a user clicks on your advert, then you earn money. And it really is that simple. So you can come on here and have a look at this. There's also, let me scroll down here, there's also an affiliate program that you can use to recommend people on here. But what I wanted to share with you was, let me go to the home page and scroll down here. If you can also go and find them on Facebook, Twitter, and they've even got a YouTube channel which shows you lots of different videos about creating your app, walking you through the process. It really is simple stuff, and the fact that it's free is pretty cool. So this is how you can create your apps on here for free. You can, and once you've created your app, if you wanted to flip it, then guess what? You could go and list it on Flipper. You could go and list it over on DoveMobi. If you've got some money and you want to start doing this method today and quickly, you can come over here and purchase them and sell them on here, or you can purchase and flip them over on flipper.com. So that is today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions, leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow.